Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. For quick updates, of course, follow me on X. The link is in the description below. And as you can see today, like almost more than 1 hour, I updated here a post that the diagonal wave 4 in Bitcoin has been invalidated with an impulse towards the downside, overshooting, some mistakes, sorry, just from my phone, overshooting the FIBs with larger waves than wave 2, right? We are looking for lower prices again. Okay, yeah, so that was a quick message, by the way. I'm gonna remove it just for the typo. It's very, very embarrassing. However, I just updated now 10 minutes ago. So after wave 4 extended beyond the length of the wave 2, the contracting diagonal pattern was invalidated, of course, and resulting in a motive wave 1 for a larger wave C. So we are looking, of course, here at a WXY and after an A, B, and a C. And because WXY, because the diagonal has been invalidated, this has transformed to triple zigzags, right? And then we are looking for a wave C towards the downside. Your wave C is already a motive wave for a wave 1, which it has already started. And we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So if we dive deeper here inside the 1 hour chart, we can see that, we have just yesterday night invalidate this diagonal where we were 1, 2, 3, and we were looking for 4 and a 5. Now we were already shorting, right? So in that case, it was even more profitable. But I mean, of course, once you see this broken, then totally a different scenario is unfolding. And because we have here already a 5 waves on the 1 hour chart, you can already read a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as diagonal, which is a motive wave. Now you are looking, of course, for 3 waves towards the upside, of course, for a wave 2. If we look a little bit closer inside it, we can see that this is also a 5 waves towards the upside, which is a wave A. Then you're looking for B and then a wave C. So we're looking definitely for a zigzag here as a wave 2. And then we are seeking for continuation towards the downside. Now, back to the 1 hour chart, of course, we are looking for 5 impulsive waves towards the downside to finish a wave C. Now, your wave C can, of course, dive even very deep. If we want to, of course, we cannot take yet the fib levels for a wave 3 accurately because we need a wave 2 finish. However, we might dive deeper, right, as a zigzag possibly. But here, because we have 3 waves, and therefore it suggests a flat. And here we have finished as well as 3 waves in WXY. Right, so we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and we are looking for 5 waves down. Now, how much down it can be? It's not really necessarily to touch the 1-to-1 fib level. However, it's still very possible. Okay, everything is possible. So if I remove this fib level here and I bring a new one for here, let's say a wave C in a regular flat. Here we go. So this might be your wave C. Okay, in this in these fib levels, even the 1.05 for a regular flat where we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. This is very, very possible, guys, to reach, of course, the 64,340. We can make sure much better from the fibs once we can take a wave 2 fib level for a wave 3, of course. Now this is only the wave, this is the 1 hour chart, of course. This is our day, what we're gonna face today, alright? We're gonna see a little bit higher prices and probably moving with a wave 3 towards the downside. Don't forget today there is some news, durable goods orders, okay, it might be not very volatile, but still be careful with it. Yeah, so here we go. So let's go a little bit back into the daily chart. On the daily, we can see, of course, that we are still looking for some lower prices and some rejection towards the upside after this correction. However, today, what happens, it gives us some answers again, that we might have, of course, a three waves towards the downside, as we saw on the 1 hour chart. And then this will keep this one too very valid, and very possible that we move towards the upside once we reach this wave C towards the downside. So once we finish this ABC correction, we might move directly with an impulsive wave towards the upside. Now, of course, yeah, the only thing, of course, yeah, we are Friday and the weekend is coming, and the weekend is always ranging and very slow, so it would be not really nice to see it. Yeah, but yeah, it's a bad timing, I would say. So yeah, I mean, it would be much more than enough anyway. I think if we today get the wave 3, if we could get it, wave 3, yeah, the wave 4 might goes for the weekend, right? 4-5 might goes to the weekend. So on the Monday, yeah, very possible that we move up after it. Yeah, why not? I mean, if we are on the 1 hour chart here, we are looking, of course, for a few hours still for a wave 2, and then, okay, let's say the wave 3 is gonna finish today after the close of the market even, and then we're gonna range, of course, for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, maybe just making a wave 5 towards the downside, finishing this ABC, and then on Monday it starts to move up. Very possible scenario, guys. So yeah, I mean, of course, it doesn't have to happen the same, but as a prediction, as a looking forward a little bit, yeah, it could be very possible. So yeah, back to our scenarios here, guys. As we saw a diagonal wave F5 has been hit. However, your 1-2-1-2-1-2 is still valid until we break this price. And I doubt even that we're gonna get even prices inside these fib levels, right? Because if you remember, I told you when we have triple 1-2s, your wave 2 of the triple 1 might be even shorter than this trend, because as you can see, the 2s here, 1-2 and then 1-2, the more higher we go, of course, the more the wave 2 goes higher as well. Now, if we give this an extension, and it says, of course, that the wave 2 might hit almost the fib levels, the perfect fib levels, but even I doubt it. We might even hit higher and then move again towards the upside. So very high possibility, and that because we are corrective already. We don't see an impulse here. We see 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and by all means, you just look for 5 waves down to finish just this correction. So we got some answer already for this scenario, where here where we say finished a shallow wave 2 in ABC. So no, it's not finished, of course. Here is gonna be finished, but it's not shallow anymore. Is it a finished wave 2 in ABC? Yes, we're gonna see, of course. Here are the perfect fib, of course, to move down, probably, but it looks like it's gonna be higher. Is it correction or continuation for higher prices after a shallow wave 2? Well, we are still in correction. Okay, so still in correction. Correction. Okay, here we go. After not a shallow, after a wave 2, after wave 2. So correction for higher prices after a wave 2. Okay, after we bottom exactly here, therefore we're gonna look for higher prices. So yeah, these are the answers, guys. So we are looking, of course, for higher prices after we finish A, B, and C, and then moving up with 1112s, which is this scenario still open for us. So that was it for the daily analysis. Sorry for the long time, but it was interesting, of course, to dive deeper a little bit in the daily as well and see what's going on. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.